Happy holidays, everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals are hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. You can make anything from a smoothie to dessert. You can take out or you can dine in. Come on ahead and join us with your favorite restaurant or recipe. Today, my Quick and Easy Meals is a fun holiday activity with my children and the grands. We are making chocolate chip cookies. The recipe is the best homemade chocolate chip cookies. And we're making an M&M gingerbread house, which you're not going to see that at the end because we never finished it. We had to put it in the fridge, let the icing kind of, harden up a little bit. So you won't see that at the end, but we had a Sakatumi cake, chocolate chip cookies. It was pajama evening, so we had a lot of fun. And that's what our quick and easy holiday activity is going to be about today. Sit back and relax. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and More. Then you could be one of my Jeans. Peace and blessings and happy holidays.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
That's what I did.
Sock it to me with cinnamon crunchy pecans and a sweet glaze.
Oh my God.
I know.
Do we really need that?
I screwed everybody.
It's okay. Mozzarella stick.
You have some mozzarella sticks?
Mozzarella.
That's not how you say it.
It's not?
That's Junior. It's kids.
I think this part needs some more icing.
It's fine.
So you need to bring this up, son. You don't even have any icing on the opposite side.
Yeah, you gotta put some icing on the
What
other
type of
side.
directions are you looking at? You have to put icing on it. Whose song is that?
How do I keeping up more than you and I'm older than you? I'm like 15 years older than you all.
Quick and easy meals. This one over here is not interested in cookies. He's watching cartoons. That's the baby. Baby A.
You need icing right here.
I have more icing. Do you guys need more icing?
Yeah, but this is
We got all
stupid
this
because
icing right here.
Okay.
they have the chimney on the same side as the front door.
Yeah.
This is a holiday activity, making an M&M
So this is
gingerbread
gonna go
house.
behind it.
Right,
Taking
goes
3
behind.
adults
And for some kind of way, you have to get enough icing on it.
and 4
You
kids.
have to put icing here. Anywhere that the graham crackers are gonna touch, you need icing. This is why, man, the curriculum. Are these done?
That's why I'm here.
I think this is a little bit too much.
Okay, that's good. You need one more for right here.
Where? Oh, okay.
Okay, into the oven we go. Now, do you want to tell us how you finished your gingerbread house, your M&M gingerbread house?
Yeah.
Go ahead, tell us.
So, what I finished is I had it in the fridge over there drying for a long time. So
But you had to let the icing get a little stiff, didn't you?
yeah, so then after that, I started putting these M&Ms all over it. And,
Okay.
And I finished the house by putting M&Ms here, on the door, on the windows, on the sides, like this. So it's like a pattern.
Uh-huh.
Big M&M, little, big, little, and I put that on both sides. Then I put some right here in the middle, so that it would look good right here in the middle.
Okay.
Put some right here in the back, on the sides. One big one right here,
Okay.
and then I put one big one here, some on the ground, and that's all.
Oh, you did a fabulous job. Go, Jay. Go, Jay. Go, Jay. Okay, so I'm going to add you to my Quick and Easy Meals video. This is quick and easy instructions for making an M&M gingerbread house. Compliments of Mr. J.